first time you're showing at the Lakme
Yes,
Fashion
this is my first fashion show. Yes.
How does it feel?
It was very nerve-wracking because people had a lot of expectations, so I was very nervous. And now that it's over, I'm still a little concerned because I'm a perfectionist. So one or two things don't go exactly how I wanted, but it's okay. It's over now, so I just need to get over it.
Great. And what was the concept of your
It was very retro. I wanted it to have a very vintage feel, like it was from a different era. You know, there were a lot of 20s and 60s influences. I wanted it to be a very sophisticated, charming collection.
Okay, so is this going to go online?
Yes, it's already online. It's available. You can shop now.
Really?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a ton.
Komal, what do you want? Is this the first time you're showcasing at the Lakme Fashion Week?
This is the second time.
Second
Yeah,
time.
I
So
did
when was
last.
the first time you?
It was last season in April. I did Summer Resort. I debuted with Summer Resort at
Okay, so
Lakme Fashion.
was the response any different when you showcased at the Autumn Festive? I mean,
It's more overwhelming. It's grander, you know. It's fun to have Siddharth with me as my showstopper. So you know, it brings in that attention and that style. You know, you're able to get somebody who complements your brand and be by your side. It makes a
great. So what was the collection all about? What was the concept? What was the inspiration?
Yeah, it was. It's very evening wear. It's very glamorous. It's the way I think. So it's a conversion of that fantasy in the head. And specifically, it's called the Twilight Seduction. So it's colors and fluidity, basically inspired by the autumn twilight in vivid reds, electric violets, blacks, as you saw, and a lot of detailing in silhouette and placed embellishment.
Great. So where are you going to be retailing this collection from, this new collection? Is it
We retail all over India through Ensemble, through Samsara, Kimaya, and buyers, international buyers, yeah. And my store in Kolkata, that's where I'm based.
Thank you so much for talking to us and wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
The whole idea was, when Tresemme approached me to do this show, put it together, we actually looked at the product and, we said that Tresemme is about, voluminous hair, feeling good about yourself. And I think somewhere I like to make clothes that make a woman feel that she's special. It would take away certain flaws. If you see the kind of clothes I make, they're not the kind that stick to you. As an evolved woman, you're always looking at what works for you, what clothes your personality and not necessarily your body. So I think somewhere these two aspects worked pretty nicely, and we said, let's give it a shot. And going forward, we also there were challenges about having to show different kinds of hairstyles and clothing that didn't take away from the hair, but helped support it and make it look that much richer. We picked on the idea of an urban woman and her underlying emotions. What is it that we all want to feel on a regular basis? We realized that the most important thing was feeling strong, was feeling in control, but at the same time sexy, gorgeous, and innocent, childlike. So it was about, the collection was about kind of putting all these various aspects together. But at the same time, it was important to control it and not let it go out of bounds, out of focus. Yeah, we didn't want to take it too different. What really helped was we kept the underlying theme of being bohemian across, right from the first to the last outfit, and it really helped me take it through from the blacks into the whites with all the colors interspersed in between.
okay?
And
so the whole concept you sort of go through with different colors.
Exactly, because colors and moods are very, very interconnected. And if you notice, the hair kind of changed. We did a lot of texturing, a lot of I dabbled in a lot of embroideries and a lot of appliques this time, which kind of was had a theme that went through and did not necessarily, they weren't your regular everyday kind of stuff.
Wonderful. Okay, I understand you come back to the Lakme Fashion Week after a long break.
After it's I really do my work for the kind of business it brings to me, and I personally felt that for the past 6 or 7 years I haven't shown in my own home city, and it kind of And then of course Tresemme worked out, so it just kind of fitted in beautifully.
Place.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. It was lovely to talk to you.
Same
and
here,
I
Anjali.
want to
Yeah.
take your number and I want
Thank
to be
you.
in touch with you. So can
Sure.
I quickly jot down?